Welcome to Civil Engineering Tips channel.
Begins in vast limestone quarries, where immense excavators break apart layers of rock and clay. These powerful machines load the raw materials onto towering dump trucks, underscoring the sheer scale of the operation. From here, the limestone and clay are transported across expansive industrial landscapes to the cement factory. The process highlights not only the magnitude of the resources involved, but also the complex logistics required to initiate cement production. Limestone, clay, silica, and iron ore are carefully measured and combined in exact proportions, ensuring the perfect blend for cement production. Each raw material brings essential properties to the final product. The mixture is then fed into powerful crushers, where it is ground down into a fine, uniform powder. The mechanical process is precise and efficient, with every movement contributing to the consistency required. The next stage, realistic lighting, highlights the intricate machinery and the transformation of raw materials into a refined powder. The blended raw meal is fed into a massive rotary kiln, where it is exposed to intense heat. Inside, the material transforms, glowing red-hot as it forms into clinker. As the clinker emerges, it moves onto a grate cooler, gradually losing its fiery glow. Dust particles swirl in the air, illuminated by the cooling process. The environment is alive with the deep rumble of machinery and the subtle hiss of cooling clinker. After the clinker is produced, it is transferred to large ball mills, where it is finely ground together with gypsum. The addition of gypsum is essential, as it helps regulate the setting time of the final product. This grinding process transforms the hard clinker into a fine gray cement powder. In modern cement plants, automated packaging machines then fill, seal, and stack 50 kilograms. As cement bags arrive at bustling construction sites, engineers and workers set them into motion, transforming raw materials into the foundations of progress. These bags become the backbone of towering skyscrapers, expansive bridges, and impressive megastructures that shape our cities. The versatility and strength of cement make it indispensable in modern construction, supporting ambitious architectural visions and everyday infrastructure. Its impact is evident in the enduring landmarks and essential facilities that define contemporary life.